Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Journey's oil change light. First, get into your vehicle and make sure all doors are securely closed. Next, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. It's important not to press the brake pedal at this point. This initial step prepares your vehicle's system for the reset sequence we are about to perform, ensuring everything is ready for the next crucial steps. Now, with the ignition still in the on position and the engine off, you'll use the accelerator pedal. Slowly and completely depress the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Then, release it fully. You need to repeat this action 2 more times for a total of 3 full depressions and releases. Make sure to complete all 3 cycles within a 10-second time frame. This specific sequence signals to your vehicle's computer that the oil service has been completed. Once you have completed the 3 accelerator pedal depressions, turn your ignition key back to the off position. Give the vehicle's electrical system a moment to fully power down, perhaps waiting for about 5 to 10 seconds. After this brief pause, you can restart your engine as you normally would. At this point, the oil change indicator light on your dashboard should be off, confirming a successful reset of the system. If after following these steps, your oil change light remains illuminated, don't worry. The most common solution is to simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing and full pedal depressions. Also, double-check that an actual oil change was performed. For any persistent issues or specific model variations, always refer to your Dodge Journey's owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions tailored to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.